So studio monitors is something that a lot of DJs are checking out, wanting to get into because you're doing some practicing and mixing at home. RCF has got a new option for you. These are the Ayra series of speakers, studio monitors here. We've got the Pro 5, the Pro 6, and the Pro 8. 5-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch. What's really kind of cool about this, and you don't see this in all monitors, you can see a lot of cheap ones out there that don't have, I'm going to turn this around, that connection right there. And I know that's like, oh, isn't that a standard connection? No, not all monitors have an XLR into it. The RCA common, even an 1/8-inch jack common, or a 1/4-inch jack, but not the XLR. So that's pretty cool. You've got your ability to do a little contouring and such, which is very, very common in monitor speakers. Let's see, amplifiers, we've got a 75-watt amp, we've got a 80 driving the sub in this one, and a 100-watt amp that's driving the sub in that one, or the woofer in those. So you've got the power. When you're talking monitors, you don't need a ton of power, you need clarity and such, and RCF is known for that in the speaker world. So we'll put a link in the description below so you can check this out, but this is the Ayra, Ayra series, the Pro 5, Pro 6, and Pro 8 monitors.